Hey YouTube, it's Sean. This is part 2 and the last part of this little project of getting the tiller engine to run. The last engine was bad. We put another engine on it. It was bad. It blew the cylinder clear off of it. Literally, it went poof. This engine here was $8, and it's perfect. Runs great. Let's see if we can get it to run for you. It's been sitting here for a while, quite a while. That last video was filmed a long time ago. My tripod is gone, so we're going to try to do something here. Alright. I don't think we need a football. This was a brand new return from a local store. Somebody returned it, and I do believe they didn't mix enough oil and gas kind of thing, and that's what y'all suspected too. And I do believe you're right. I mean, but it did pull over, so they did mix some oil with it. They just didn't mix enough oil with it. So let's see if we can get her to run now. Okay. All right, let's do the primer. Let's do the choke. And let's do the pulley. Choke again. And let's take the choke off. This one has a lot of compression. Oh, we just don't have enough gas. Darn it. There you go, guys. She runs fine. That engine was $8. Yeah, that engine was $8, and I just took all the outer casings off the old engine and put it on this engine. And it's a Troy-Bilt TB225. Anyway, she runs like new. Because, ouch, ouch. I've been hurting real bad, so I haven't been out here much, guys. But I wanted to show you the part 2. But I gave it to my daughter. She likes to garden. And instead of that bale, you have a bale that you like a lawnmower. I put she's used to these because she used to ride scooters. So I put one of those on there. That's for the throttle. I'll tell you what, that helped her out a lot. But yep, I gave it to my daughter, and she loved it. Now she can garden. That ain't. There it is. Thank you, Corey, for the engine. Fix It with Biscuit. Go check his channel out. Alright, guys. Take care. Love y'all. God bless. Bye-bye.